Good morning, children. Today we are going to do worksheet 3, revision work only. Choose the correct answer. What is the question? Choose the correct answer. What does the boy wish he were? What does the boy wish he were? An apple, A. B. A bird, C. A tree, D. A bow. So what did the boy wish? The boy wish he would be an apple. So A1 is correct, an apple. The fruit on the tree is raw, ripe, small, big. What is the fruit on the tree is ripe. It is ripe. R-I-P-E, ripe. Which fruit grows on the tree? Which fruit grows on the tree? A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Lemon, D. Berry. What is the correct answer? A. Apple. Which animals have fun on the tree? Now you must have seen animals enjoy on the tree. So which animals enjoy? A. Monkey, B. Squirrel, C. Spider, D. Caterpillar. So what is the correct answer? A. Monkey. So once again we will read, children. Number 1. What does the boy wish he were? An apple. The fruit on the tree is ripe. B. Which fruit grows on the tree? Apple. A. Which animals have fun on the tree? A. Monkey. Now we'll go to 5 number. What do birds have in the tree? What do birds have in the tree? A. Swing, B. Nest, C. Songs, D. Webs. So what do birds have in the tree? B. Nest. If the boy were an apple, he would. 6 number. If the boy were an apple, he would stay in the basket. A. B. Fall on the grass, C. Stay on the tree, D. Drop down on a nice boy. If the boy were an apple, he would drop down on a nice boy. 7 number. What happens when the seed falls down? What happens when the seed falls down? A. A plant is born, B. A bird eats it, C. A fruit grows, D. A tree grows. So what is the correct answer? What happens when the seed falls down? A plant is born. So once again we will read, children. What do birds have in the tree? B. Nest. If the boy were an apple, he would drop down on a nice boy. 7. What happens when the seed falls down? A plant is born. Now we'll go to 8 number. What happens when the plant becomes a tree? What happens when the plant becomes a tree? A. It has nest, B. It has fruit, C. It has bird, D. It has seed. So what is the correct answer? What happens when the plant becomes a tree? B. It has fruit. Murali ate a dash. 9 number. Murali ate a dash. A. Banana, B. Grape, C. Mango, D. Apple. Now who will tell me what did Murali ate? Murali ने क्या खाया? Yes, he ate a mango. 10 number. Murali threw the dash behind his house. मुराली ने जब फ्रूट मैंगो खाया तो उसने क्या फेंका? ए सीड, बी प्लांट, सी ट्री, डी मैंगो. ही थ्रू द सीड behind his house. What did Murali threw? Murali threw the seed behind his house. So dear children, I hope you have understood the exercise. Complete this work in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. What you have to do? You have to complete this work with neat and good handwriting in your English notebook. Thank you.